What's going on, YouTube? I don't even know if you guys can even hear me at the car wash in the new car with the boys. I don't even know if you guys can, I don't think you guys can tell what it is, or if you can hear me, like I said, because we're at the car wash. But anyways, I've put almost 100 miles on this thing already, and so far so good. Has one minor issue, but we'll get that fixed soon. So yeah, anyways, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that it's a 6-speed. Oh, I gotta drive forward. Stand by. Anyways, so the other hint that I'll give you before I actually show this, even though you'll just skip forward and watch it anyway, is it is a 4-cylinder, all-wheel drive, and I don't know if you guys can hear this, but it has a turbo. So those are the only hints. Let me get home here and I'll show you guys the car, maybe. Alright, so I said we were going home, but we're not. We're actually going to this road where hopefully no one's at or nothing's on it. I know there's nothing on it, but hopefully nobody's there, and hopefully we're allowed to be there. It's a decent day out, so I figured we'd go out. I don't know if you guys can see or hear, but the problem with this car is under acceleration. Not like all the time, like right now, obviously I have the gas on, but like right there, I don't even know if you guys can hear it or see it. I don't think you can, but anyways, it vibrates. I think it's the motor mounts. If it's not that, it's the CV axles or joints, one of the two. But I don't think it's that, because it doesn't have a clicking noise or anything when you're turning. But yeah, other than that, the car runs great. Everything's fine with it. And that being said, I will pick back up as soon as we get to where we're going. Alright, so you might be able to feel the vibration now that I'm going like 60, but as soon as I get it under, I don't know if you guys can hear it or feel it or anything, but it definitely has a vibration. But just trust me on it. If you can't see or hear it, you're not going to feel it. See it or hear it in the video. Alright, so as you guys just saw, we got an A4. You guys probably don't know this, but let me close the door. It's kind of windy. I'll show you guys outside, but like I said, it's windy. So this is an 05 and a half A4. It's a Quattro, obviously 6-speed. Has the 2.0 motor in it. But yeah, so I actually had one of these before. Well, my wife did. She had an 07, literally identical, except for hers had the tip transmission, the Tiptronic transmission, not the 6-speed. And before that, I had a 97 VR6. This was all pre-YouTube, before I started YouTube. I've been wanting one for a while. I always curse the name Audi and Volkswagen because of how expensive they are when they break, but then I always find myself back wanting one because they're fun. Anyways, so yeah, this one, if you follow me on Instagram, sorry, I'm kind of all over the place. It's been a while since I've made a YouTube video, but anyways, thanks to this guy for the camera work just a minute ago, and maybe more later. Anyways, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I sold something. I actually sold 2 things, and then I bought this. And well, I guess I'll just tell you guys, I sold the Titan and the Focus. I didn't sell them both to buy this. I sold the Focus because, well, I watched my previous videos. I sold the Titan. It was kind of like just someone made me an offer and I said, heck yeah, come get it. So that happened, and then I found this, and I had to go get it. So the only things so far that I've found out that are done to this are tinted windows. It's lowered. I'm not sure on what. I think it's Raceland, but I'm not 100% sure until I get it up on a lift and look at it. It's pretty freaking low. It has the ECS intake, and I don't know if it has a resonator delete or if the exhaust, I don't think the exhaust is stock because our other one was a lot quieter than this, but it definitely has an exhaust leak because you can literally hear it like right here. I don't know if you guys can though, but so yeah, anyway, it at least has an exhaust leak. Which I haven't put it on a lift yet. I'm gonna do that probably Monday, because like I said, with that vibration and stuff, I want to kind of narrow down exactly what it is, because with selling the truck I also have some extra money. So yeah, stay tuned for that, because I've got some things coming for this thing soon. I didn't order anything yet because I want to drive it for a while, make sure there's zero other issues. But yeah, it's got 160, I don't even know if you guys can see that, probably not, 164,000 miles on it. I've put the 99.7 on there already since I got it. When did we get this car? Thursday? Yeah, got it on Thursday, and I've put 100 miles on it already. I know that's not a lot, but yeah, like I said, I just want to drive it for a while before I start doing any mods or anything like that. Obviously one of the first things that has to go is this crappy stock head unit. Was good for the time, for its time, not good for now, so we got to get rid of that. Yeah, I'll hop out, show you guys the outside. Like I said, it's windy, so I'm probably not going to talk. If I do, it'll just be a voiceover, and that'll be that. And then maybe we'll drive a little around this little road here that I found, or maybe I'll make my kids stand out in the cold again. It's not that cold. It's 50 degrees. It's not that cold, but it is windy. So yeah, maybe we'll make him stand out there some more until we get chased out of here or something. All right, so we're gonna do a couple of drive-bys, but I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually a couple walking back there. I actually had Carter get out here, and I took off around this corner right here, and they were like right there, and they had their dogs off the leash, and I was like, oh crap. But anyway, so we gotta wait till they kind of get out down far enough to where I'm not upsetting their dogs or anything like that. I'm not trying to make people mad, so we'll just sit here and relax. I mean, I'm not going to be like flying or anything. I probably won't even leave third gear, but anyways, we'll wait till they get by, and then we'll do our thing. I got all day, so they actually should be out of the way now, so you guys will get to hear the car again, like right now. All right, so chances are this is probably a very short video. Not really. I mean, just I bought another car. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this one more because it's standard. It's got a turbo already, which obviously there's options there of getting a bigger one. I don't know until I start editing how those flybys looked, if you could even hear the car. But from inside the car, it sounds pretty decent. If you guys can even hear that, I have no idea. I don't know what it sounds like outside. But anyways, if you guys liked the video and you're excited as much as I am for the content with this thing, definitely smash that like button. Hit the subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.